Hello friends, today we are going to make some fresh salmon in a very nice butter garlic sauce, and for that recipe here are our ingredients. On the plate you can see some fresh pieces of beautiful pieces of salmon fish, and along with it we are going to use some butter, some fresh mint leaves, some black peppercorns, some coriander leaves, a little bit of squeeze of lemon and some garlic pods. Now let us get started with our interesting recipe. So friends, here in front of us are some pieces of beautiful salmon fish. This is the Atlantic salmon that has come all the way from Norway, and we have ordered it online here in Mumbai. This is also reminiscent to us of our time spent in Sweden. So to give you a brief, salmon fish is widely consumed across worldwide, and it is a very healthy fish, and it is very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and it is loved by people across the world. So when we ordered it online, we thought why not create a beautiful dish out of it. So friends, without further delay, let's get started with the recipe. So friends, first step is to marinate our fish. For that we are going to add a little bit of salt into the fish as per taste, just a little bit, say less than half teaspoon. And then we are adding some grated garlic, in goes little bit of coarsely grounded black pepper that I have shown you before. The black peppercorns, they have been coarsely grounded. And then we are adding some oregano, some chopped coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves chopped, and let it sit marinated for some time now. So friends, our pan is hot now, and we are adding some butter at room temperature to the pan, to the warm pan, in order to fry our marinated salmon fish. Let the butter melt down for some time.
Here goes our
And
fish.
now we are adding our salmon fish into the melted butter. Make sure that you melt the butter in low flame, otherwise the butter is going to get some burnt taste. So make sure the flame is on low. We are going to pan fry this fish for some time in the open pan. A very nice smell of garlic and melted butter is coming out of it. After say 4 to 5 minutes of frying the fish on low flame, we are just turning the pieces around upside down. You can see the nice golden color of the fried fish. And while our fish is frying on the other side, we are going to make the butter garlic sauce for the fish. For that, we are adding some grated garlic into a hot pan. And now we are adding say 2 tablespoons of butter into it. Let it melt. And now we are adding some lemon juice, say 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice into the mixture. After the garlic is fried in butter for say 1-2 minutes. Now friends, our butter garlic sauce is ready and a very nice aroma is coming out of it. And what we are going to do, we are going to add this butter garlic sauce on top of our fish that has been frying for some time. We have added few tablespoons of water as well. As I said, we have added little bit of water in order to even out the sauce, and we have added a pinchful of red chili powder into it. So friends, our salmon is ready now. We have taken it out of the pan. Now what we are going to do, we are going to garnish it with some fresh coriander and some fresh mint leaves. The aroma is just beautiful and fresh. It smells of fresh salmon fish, garlic and butter. Our salmon fish in fresh garlic butter sauce is ready now friends. As you can see, do try it out at home and let us know how it turns out in the form of your valuable comments. Do like, share and subscribe to Ivy Indiviers if you liked the recipe, and watch out for more. Bye for today.